Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gardening knife that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Fiskars X-Acto Small Knife. The X-Acto Small Weeding Knife is the best gardening knife for removing weeds and moss. It is very sharp and ideal for using between paving stones and on the terrace. This X-Acto Small Moss Removing Knife is the precise stainless steel blade that provides the best performance and quality in control. In addition, the comfortable soft grip ergonomically designed handle provides better balance and leverage. There is a practical hanging loop at the end of the handle for easy storage. Apart from this, the length of the weeding knife is 33.8 centimeters and the weight is 270 grams. The material of the blade is alloy steel and the handle is made of plastic. Moving on at number 4, we have ZSY SUP Gardening Grafting Knife. ZSY SUP Gardening Grafting Knife is a 7.9 inches, multi-cutting tool with super sharp Japanese stainless steel. It is a fixed straight blade that can be very useful for many purposes. Pruning knife, budding pocket knife for gardening, crafting, marking, and other purposes this knife can be used. Due to using in making the premium Japanese steel blade, the ZSY SUP Gardening Grafting Knife is super sharp, rust-proof, and above all, durable. The length and width of the blade is only 2.6 inch and 1.1 inch respectively. Now, the handle. It is true that a handle of a knife, especially a gardening or grafting knife, must be comfortable to grab when you are working. Well, in that case, the handle is very comfortable and durable, which is made with wood. The ergonomically designed wooden handle provides comfort grip even while you are working for a long time. Oh yes, the handle's length is only 4.7 inch. At number 3, we have Grafting Gardening Knife. The pruning knife for gardening is good for grafting, pruning, cutting, digging, weeding, sawing and so many other purposes. The package includes 1 double blades garden grafting knife and 2 rolls of grafting tapes in 2 sizes. The grafting gardening knife for pruning has double blades in 1 frame. One of the 2 knives is a curved blade that is used to cut the position you want accurately, and the other one is straight that can cut and split wood vigorously and effortlessly. The high-efficiency blades save time as well as labor. Talking of quality materials and their building. The blade is made from 2CR13 stainless steel while the handle is made of wood. The handle is very comfortable and easy to handle. In addition, the blades are pointed, which is why it is hard to wear and break. Moreover, the garden tape is made from quality PE grafting film, which is flexible, stretchable, self-adhesive, waterproof, sufficient quantity for a long time to use. At number 2, we have Linzen Outdoor Pruning Knife. Linzen Outdoor Pruning Knife is a wonderful versatile gardening knife. It is a useful handy grafting knife. It is a tool that can be used for pruning, digs, budding, plants, weeding, cutting, saws, soil, hunting, and so on. Indeed, a very versatile tool for anyone. This grafting knife is made of stainless steel, which is rust-free and shiny. If you want a high-quality folding pocket knife for grading, Linzen Outdoor Pruning Knife is the best you may decide to purchase. In addition, the specialties of this weeding knife are for grafting, trimming twigs, removing suckers, and cutting undergrowth. And finally at number 1, Fiskars Gardening Harvesting Knife. Fiskars 340150-1001 Gardening Harvesting Knife is a product of stainless steel. The handle is made of plastic material. The special feature is it is a serrated gardening harvesting knife. The Fiskars harvesting knife is ideal for harvesting thick stalks and stems. This stainless blade has a flat tip for quick push cuts. The serrated section helps to cut through fibrous plants easily and smoothly. The ergonomic design is great for cutting any plants. The handle is comfortable and sturdy. There is a hole on the edge of the handle in order to store quickly. This harvesting knife is highly durable. It comes with a plastic sheath with a belt loop.